Come on, man, this your boy Garrick. What's up? If you already subscribed to my page, you know what I do. I do the funny barbershop videos. But if you don't, subscribe now to get original content about hair. I want to help all men. There are guys walking around that have no clue of what to do with their hair. And if this is you, don't worry. I got you. This is how important hair is. On playbuzz.com, not playboy.com. I know some of y'all looking for an excuse to look at it. Don't worry. Shh. I ain't gonna judge you. But on playbuzz.com, they ask women, what are 14 things that women find physically attractive about men? Number 3, hair. Hair was above abs, biceps, shoulders, back. So if you're in the gym and you are you trying to get all that? No. You don't need to do that no more. Just go in the mirror. My hair looks so good, I can kiss myself. And I promise you, you will get women. I'm gonna talk about the top 5 mistakes that men make towards their hair. Number 1, it sounds simple. Some men don't do anything with their hair. Look, your hair needs product. It needs oil, it needs nutrients, it needs pomade, it needs gel, it needs oil. Okay, well, maybe not this oil, because some of y'all probably would try that. That was a joke, okay? That was just a joke. Your hair needs stuff in it so it can grow. I don't want to get all technical with it. I'm gonna do that on a later video, but start using something in your hair. Oil, gel, pomade, moisturizer, conditioner. Do something with your hair. If you don't put anything in your hair and your hair's dry and you have a lot of dandruff, this is the dude you don't want to be. We're gonna go in the club, we're gonna get some sexy ladies tonight. I know all the ladies want me. Hold on, my hair is feeling a little itchy. Oh, that came from my head? Oh, guess we won't be going to the club tonight. Now, the number 2 mistake a lot of guys make, it's the opposite of number 1. Some guys wash their hair too much. It's hair. I know it's part of your body. You wash your body every day. You wash your skin every day. Well, at least you should be washing the skin every day. If you don't wash your skin every day, something's wrong with you. You should wash your hair 2 or 3 times a week, because if you wash your hair too much, you're washing out the oils, the nutrients, you're washing out all that stuff. So don't wash your hair too much. Now, some of my younger viewers might be using that excuse to wash their hair every day so they can stay in the shower a little bit longer. Yeah, I was a teenager. I know what you're doing in the shower. You ain't washing your hair the whole time. Hey, we're gonna keep that between you and I, okay? The 3rd mistake a lot of men make is they get the wrong haircut for their hair. Now, I'm not gonna do it on this video. I'll show you on a different one, but there are different types of hair. Like, some people want a haircut and they say they have like a more boxy head and they want like a mohawk that's kind of look like Frankenstein with a mohawk. Okay, that doesn't look good. He can't come to the, oh, I'm Frankenstein. I want to look hip, I want to look cool. I want a mohawk. No, it's not gonna hit Frankenstein. You're not gonna get any Franken bitches if that's what you want. A lot of guys are walking around with the wrong haircut because they don't know the shape of their hair. And I'm gonna talk about that on the video a little bit later. But get the hair that fits your head. Just because you might be looking at your favorite celebrity. I love Brad Pitt. He's my favorite celebrity. As you can see, I don't have Brad Pitt type of hair, so I cannot get the Brad Pitt haircut. But if I could, that would be very interesting. I would love to show up at the barbershop. Excuse me, could you give me the Brad Pitt haircut? Perfect. What's in the box? Okay? So some guys stop walking around with the wrong haircut. Number 4, it's simple. Ask your barber for the right haircut. That's what your barber is here for. Your barber is a professional. Your barber deals with hair every day, so he or she knows how to get the haircut. It behooves me because of, behooves, whoa, Garrick Dixon, look at you, using big words. I guess the dictionary app has been working. Give myself a round of applause. A lot of guys, for some reason, because they don't want to look idiotic going to the barbershop. Excuse me, I don't know what to do with my hair, and could you please suggest how I should get my hair cut? Because I'm a loser. No. Your barber's not going to think that way. Your barber will be happy to tell you how you should get your hair cut. Look, if you need to ask me, I'll put my email address down here. Email me 1 or 2 pictures of your head, and I will tell you how to get your hair cut. Use me if you're afraid to use your barber. Come to me. That's what I'm here for. I'm your guy. And the 5th and final mistake that guys make when it comes to their hair is holding on too long. Now, okay, some of you may ask, what do you mean by holding on too long? Okay, if you're going bald, if you have enough forehead to make another face, it's time to cut it off. There's a lot of sexy bald celebrities out there. Take a look. That's right, y'all didn't know Mr. Clean was a celebrity? He was doing more than cleaning pipes. Cleaning pipes, get it? I kill me, hey. But fellas, don't be afraid to cut it bald. You don't have hair up here? Use this hair down here. You can cut your hair bald, grow a goatee, grow a beard, but stop holding on too long. It's embarrassing. So to sum it up, those are the top 5 mistakes that men make towards their hair. I got over 25 years experience cutting hair, so I know a whole lot about the hair game. So I'm going to share my knowledge with you guys. You guys use my knowledge, I promise you'll get more women. Hey, if you feel free, share your stories with the ladies with me. You can email me, my email address is on that. You can tell me the story about women. I'll keep it discreet, I won't bring it up here. You can share it with me. Consider me your counselor. You see these grades, so you know I got knowledge. All right, I'm out, and look. Come on, man. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to tell y'all. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I know y'all judging me because I'm using a scrunchie, but hey man, it's okay to use a scrunchie as a man. Hit that subscribe button.